Hi everybody, I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to unbox these Flipkart parcels. And I have ordered quite a few books this month in November 2021, and let's see what books I can show you. These are my favorite life-changing books. So without wasting your time, let's get into the video. So the first parcel that I'm going to open, and let's see what's there in the parcel. So this is the first parcel, and YOLO parcel. So let's see, okay, what's in it. So guys, if you want to check out some other videos, like I have made 5 videos on book unboxing. The links are given in the description. Also, you can check one of my favorite videos in the I button here. So Nationalism by Rabindranath Tagore, and I really have no idea about this book, but I have been browsing this book for a long time on Flipkart, and finally I decided to have a copy for myself. So this book is a fantastic book, in whatever the things that I can see. Non-fiction. So I'll definitely put out the detailed review on this book, but before that, let me talk about the price. This book cost me rupees 99. Okay, yeah, 99. And the publisher is Srishti. Very thin book. It contains 104 pages. Okay, so this is the first book of today's book unboxing, Nationalism by Rabindranath Tagore. Okay, so can you see this mountain of boxes? Now the next parcel, it's a packet that I'm going to, okay, let me see, I have to, okay, so I have removed the paper. So another paper, it is Tuesdays with Morrie, An Old Man, a Young Man, and Life's Greatest Lesson by Mitch Albom, the #1 New York Times bestseller. This is how the book looks, and you can like hold it like this. I love it. Anyway, so let me remove the paper. Okay, can you hear the sound of the paper? It's like this. So wow, I'm impressed. Front is, it looks like a pirated copy, even though, yeah, it looks like pirated copy. So the next parcel, yeah, it cost me rupees 177. Okay, so only single book, the third parcel, guys. I don't know. Anyway, so How to Stop Worrying and Start Living by Dale Carnegie. And this book has always been my favorite one, and I just put that book in the cart, yeah, finally I've got a copy for myself. How to Stop Worrying and Start Living by Dale Carnegie. Fantastic book. Yeah, quality is awesome. Fronts are okay, impressive. Yeah, so this book, the original price is given here, 199. Yeah, but it cost me 177 rupees. Wonderful book. So book number 3, and let's move on to the next parcel. So it's a box. I'm just quickly showing you the books. Okay, I'm not talking about the books contain and everything. I don't have any idea about that. I just randomly chose these books and ordered them. Okay, this time finally I've got the the invoice and a bookmark. So let me put this box aside and let's talk about the book first. Like, I can't tell you how this book feels when you hold it. It's gorgeous, it's amazing, it's pretty premium, you know. When you just hold it in your hand, it feels premium. Also, it looks premium. It's a bit heavy and heavier than the other books, and it is the original book, by the way. There are some pictures in it. I got this book recommendation on Sandeep Maheshwari's website. Okay, and the name of this book is Jonathan Livingston Seagull, A Story. The complete edition includes the rediscovered part 4, Richard Bash, or something like that. Forgive me if I pronounced it wrong. So these are the pictures you can find out here. I have to read this story, then I can comment on it. Okay, so good book, you know. It makes you feel like, yeah, you are holding something premium. And yeah, amazing. Original price is given here, $250. It's a fiction, but I had to pay only 170 rupees for this book, and I have heard a lot about this book, so this time it's my job to read it out. This is the 4th book, and with a bookmark along with it. Bill. Okay, let's move on to the 5th book and the 5th box of Flipkart. Okay, so let's see. And this time it's my favorite book. Okay, so can you guess which book is it? How to Talk to Anyone by Lail who? I don't know, but okay, I can't pronounce this name. I'm sorry, the author, I'm sorry. You have a very beautiful name. I can't pronounce it, but yeah. How to Talk to Anyone, guys, with a bill and a bookmark. This time I'm really happy. During the big billion, I got disappointed because I didn't get a lot of bookmarks with a lot of books. So here is the book. Let me tell you one thing. This book contains about 321 pages. It's a pretty thick book. It's a self-help one, and the blurb is saying, have you ever admired those successful people who seem to have it all? You see them chatting confidently at social parties and business meetings. They're the ones with the best jobs, nicest partners, and the most interesting friends. They're not necessarily smarter than you or even better looking. So what's their secret? They simply have a more skillful way of communicating with other people. In How to Talk to Anyone, in this book, best-selling relationships author and internationally renowned life coach reveals the secrets and psychology behind successful communication. With 92 simple and effective techniques, you will learn how to work a party like a politician, works a room, be an insider in any crowd, and some other points. Okay, so the original price is $299. I had to pay only 196 rupees. Okay, and I've got a bookmark along with it. And guys, if you have a genuine communication problem, grab a copy of this book. I've heard a lot of I've heard a lot about this book, and finally I decided to have a copy for myself. Though I have read How to Win Friends and Influence People, I think this book is influenced by that book. I don't know, I have to read this book before I pass any comment. But if you are a beginner, then you can definitely grab a copy of this book. Okay, so this is the 5th book of today's book unboxing. So, How to Talk to Anyone. I can't pronounce the author's name. Alright, bookmark. Bill, again, doing the same drama. Anyway, so another parcel, and a gust of happiness is just blowing in my head. Alright, so here is the oh my god, pretty fantastic what, like, box. Accident. But this book is a fiction. This time it's a fiction mystery by world famous writer Agatha Christie. And Then There Were None. This book contains 250 pages and it's a fiction novel, mystery novel. I haven't read any book written by Agatha Christie. This is going to be the first one that I'm going to read. So I'm pretty excited. And at the same time, I would like to tell you one thing, that I haven't received, have I? I don't think so. I haven't received any, any kind of bill with this book. Okay. The original price of this book is $2.99. I'll give you the, okay, let me see. Okay, here is the bill. Oh, I found it. Okay, so 164. Okay, and the original price is $2.99. And this book is a mystery novel, which is completely different from the normal fiction novel. So I have also heard a lot about this book, so this is going to be a fantastic read for me. Okay, so yeah, no bookmark this time with this book, a very bad packaging, and also it confused me where the bill was. It was hidden in the book, so I had to really work hard to find it out. Okay, so 164 for 250 pages, and the content is, you know what, more worthy than the actual price. Anyway, so this is the 6 books of today's book number 6 of today's book unboxing, and the last box that I'm going to open, and I can guess what book is there in this box. Okay, because this is the last one. So this is one of my favorite books, and yes, I have to say it, this is one of my favorite books. So without wasting your time, okay, first of all, bookmark 1, bookmark number 2, and a bill, and then this book. Can you imagine? Wow. 5 AM Club by Robin Sharma. When this book was launched, I decided to buy this book, but I don't know what happened to me. I changed my decision, and after 2 years, I finally had decided to buy this book, and right now it is in my hand. You can see 5 AM Club. This book is gorgeous, and this book is the highly criticized book, okay, on internet, and people want to wake up early, and that's why they read this book. Trust me, you can't wake up early by reading a book. It's a habit. You have to inculcate this habit, and then you can simply wake up early. So this book contains how many pages? Let me tell you quickly. 314 pages, and it cost me rupees 226, but the original price of this book is 350 rupees, published by Jaico Publisher. And you can see the spine, gorgeous. Book's condition is amazing. I've got 2 bookmarks along with it. I'm really satisfied. I hope you like this video, and if you're new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel, because I upload a lot of videos like this, along with some boring book reviews that people hate watching. But you have to subscribe to my channel, because I never disappoint you. Okay, because my videos are boring, my videos are very bad, and if you think so, then comment down below, and please give your valuable feedback. That matters. And I'm just planning that I will announce a book giveaway, a video. I'll just put it out, and then you can participate. You can win some books, okay, by subscribing to my channel. You have to comment, you have to like, that's it. See you next time. Bye. Take care.